Hello, fellow woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts.
Today, I'll introduce you to a super useful and easy to make project, the Bistro Folding Chair.
This design is simple yet elegant, commonly seen in cafes, restaurants, gardens, and home balconies. What makes it special is that it can be folded when not in use, saving maximum space. This chair is not only stylish and practical, but also very easy to make.
Perfect for those who love crafting their own furniture.
In this video, I'll guide you through everything from A to Z,
including overall dimensions, required materials, assembly hardware, and essential tips to ensure the chair is sturdy and durable.
If you enjoy DIY projects like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss future videos.
Now, let's get started. Overall dimensions of the Bistro Folding Chair. Before we begin, it's crucial to understand the chair's overall dimensions. The Bistro Folding Chair is designed with standard dimensions as follows.
Total width 525 mm, depth 525 mm, total height 850 mm, seat height from the ground approximately 450 mm.
When opened, the chair is spacious enough for comfortable seating,
but compact enough to save space.
When folded, it becomes extremely slim and easy to store, making it ideal for small spaces like cafes, balconies, or gardens.
You can slightly adjust the dimensions to better suit your space,
but I recommend keeping the proportions the same to maintain the chair's aesthetic and balance. Design structure and required materials. Regarding construction, the Bistro Folding Chair is made entirely of solid wood, making it both durable and visually appealing.
This is an important feature because many folding chairs on the market use metal frames,
but I prefer the warmth and natural beauty of wood.
The main components of the chair include chair frame, the main support structure that ensures stability, typically made from pine, oak, or rubber wood,
depending on availability and preference.
Seat and backrest consists of parallel wooden slats, creating a breathable, lightweight seating experience.
Hinges and pivot joints allow smooth folding and unfolding without stiffness or jamming. Screws and bolts securely connect all components, ensuring the chair can bear weight without loosening over time. To build this chair, you'll need some basic woodworking tools, including
a saw or wood cutting machine to cut the slats to the correct size, a drill and drill bits for making screw holes,
a sander to smooth the wood surfaces,
wood glue to reinforce joints, wood stain or protective oil to preserve and enhance the wood's look.
If you have your materials and tools ready, let's move on to the assembly process.
Essential hardware and assembly guide.
The Bistro Folding Chair uses several important hardware components,
ensuring stability and ease of folding. Here's the complete list.
Bolts 8x60x15, 8x35x15, and 6x30x13,
each serving different roles in securing the frame.
Nuts. Cap nut 8x15x15 and star nut 6x13 to tighten connections. Screws. Screw 4x35 used to fasten the wooden slats to the frame.
Washers. Different sizes including 2325x26, 911x50, 2x8.5x20, and 2x6.5x20,
reducing friction and protecting the wood when tightening bolts.
Assembly steps for the Bistro Folding Chair. Assemble the chair frame.
Cut the wood according to the precise dimensions. Drill screw holes in the marked positions.
Attach the frame pieces using bolts 8x60x15 and 8x35x15. Install the seat and backrest. Secure the wooden slats to the frame using screws for x35.
Ensure even spacing between the slats. Attach the hinges and pivot joints.
Use star nut 6x13 to keep the hinges secure.
Check that the chair folds and unfolds smoothly. Finishing and surface protection.
Use a sander to smooth the wood edges.
Apply a protective coat of stain or oil to prevent damage.
Pro tips to make your chair more durable.
Choose dry, high-quality wood to prevent warping over time. Use high-quality screws and bolts to ensure long-lasting durability. Apply a protective wood stain or oil to guard against moisture and insects. Test the chair's stability after assembly before using it. So, we've gone through the entire process of making a Bistro folding chair from design, material preparation, and assembly to finishing touches.
This is a simple yet very practical DIY project.
Perfect for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support me in making more exciting DIY content. If you have any questions or creative ideas, drop a comment below. I'll do my best to respond to everyone.
Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.